And now, Jieshuo, aka Commentary Screen Reader, CSR, or if you're me, the Confused Screen Reader. This is a segment dedicated to this great popular screen reader where we show you some new feature or some feature that we believe you should be in the know of. And now, for this episode, here's your entry for Jieshuo, aka Commentary Screen Reader.
And we conclude this week's episode with the next in our series on Jieshuo from Kareen. And she shows us a new feature where Jieshuo will provide continuous audio description on a video.
Hi. Blueheart AI, developed by the Chinese phone manufacturer Vivo, is the new AI service used in Jieshuo detailed image description functions, icon detection, and inquire by voice functions. After using this AI model, Jieshuo developer removed the limitation of 100 recognition per day. Also, he included a new function. If you translate it from Chinese to English, it's called video description. However, it's not the video description that you might expect. It's not like what you get from Pikibot or from Seeing AI. You can't share a video to the service and let it describe it for you. It is actually like a continuous detailed image description function. So it captures screenshots. After capturing each screenshot of the entire screen, it sends the captured image to the AI service to recognize it. And then after you receive the result, it will be read automatically to you. In order for the function to work, Jieshuo should be granted the display over other apps or appear on top permission. According to my tests, the service doesn't try to create any link or connection between the recognized images. So it treats each image as an independent, separate image. It doesn't try to link between the images to describe the video. The speed may vary, and you should pay attention to the point that if you are playing a video and the video is having quick consecutive scenes, it's likely that the service won't be able to keep up with the scenes and it will miss some of them. Also, it's not only working with videos, it's actually working everywhere. So the point is that it starts taking screenshots and doing the recognition. The function is in the main menu. It can be assigned to a gesture. Also, you can find it in the recognition menu. For now, it's still in Chinese. You can't translate the function name. Now I'm in YouTube. This is the video that I'm going to use.
The Wall Street Journal. Apple's Craig Federighi explains Apple Intelligence delays, Siri's future and more WSJ.
Okay, so I will open the functions menu.
Functions menu. Recognition menu button.
Then recognition menu.
Recognition menu. Detailed description of
This is the function. I will use the Jieshuo translation.
OCR and translation. Video description.
I'll double tap.
Apple is about to go all in on AI. Kinda.
This power of Apple Intelligence and large language models means that Siri can
The
understand
screen
you
shows a
better than
video
ever
playback
before.
interface with the
Why
title
the
Apple's
delay?
Craig
This
Federighi
is a big
explains
lift,
Apple Intelligence
and we feel
delays,
like we
Siri's
wanna get
future
it
and more
right.
3 full stop.
This is a
The top of the video
many-year,
play. The screen
honestly,
shows a
even
video player
decades-long
interface.
arc
The
of
video
this
shows a
technology
woman wearing a
playing
light
out.
colored
And so we're
748K. Shop
Before
now.
I comment,
Expand
I will...
the screen. 0. Enter full. Next. Enter full screen. Landscape. Exit full screen.
open the full screen mode and...
Apple taking its time. 0 minute. Next video. Fast. The play video button.
going to do it responsibly.
Yes, Apple software chief Craig Federighi is leading our iPhones into the future of generative AI.
The picture shows a
Cautious,
man in a blue
that
shirt
is.
sitting in an outdoor
In
environment
late
with some
October,
blurred
when
green
iOS
plants in the
18.1
background.
hits,
The man's
the
hair is
company
grey
will
and he's
begin
facing the
releasing the
camera,
first of
seemingly
many
giving some kind of
promised Apple
demonstration or
Intelligence
explanation.
tools
The image
that
shows
work
4
only
mobile
on the
phone images
iPhone
with
15
wings, which
Pros
appear to be
and
flying.
iPhone
Each mobile
16
phone
models.
screen displays
They're
a
coming to
cartoon
Macs
character,
and
which may be
iPads
some
too.
kind of smart
But while
assistant
other
or
companies are
mascot. The
rushing AI
background
to
is dark,
market,
highlighting
Apple's
the outline
behind,
of the mobile
or at
phone and
least
wings.
taking its time, focusing on privacy and doing it all responsibly. I sat down with Federighi to get a better look inside Apple's
The
AI
picture
strategy.
shows a hand holding a
Apple's
smartphone
late
with
to
a video
generative
playback
AI.
interface
It's almost
displayed
2
on the
years
phone
since
screen.
ChatGPT
The video pause
launched.
button is located
But
in the
Apple's
center of the
never
screen,
really been
indicating that the
first
video
to a
is
new
paused.
tech
The
product
background is
category.
blurred,
What is
but
new
there is a woman
with
sitting on
Apple
a chair in the
Intelligence?
picture.
We
She is wearing dark
looked
clothes and
at
holding a
this
piece
as
of
not
rewind
how do we
10s.
build another
Previous video,
chatbot and
hide controls
bolt it
but
on the side
1112.
of our existing experience, but how
The
do we
video shows
create
a man
something
in a
that's
blue shirt
deeply
sitting on a chair
integrated?
with his
Most
hands folded on his
importantly, we
knees,
view it as
seemingly giving a speech
personal.
or
The
interview.
bulk
The
of
background
the
is a patch of
focus
green plants,
in
and the environment
chatbots
looks like the outdoors.
historically
The
have
video
been
player
around
in
products
the
that don't
picture
know
shows
you
a
at
man
all.
in a blue shirt with his hands crossed
They're
in front of
powerful
him
and
as if he is
interesting, and they
thinking
have
or
some
waiting. The
fantastic
background is a
uses.
green
But I
plant and
think
some
the real
buildings can
power
be
of
seen in the
intelligence
distance.
as it pertains to how our
Notification in the
customers
picture,
use our
there is a
products
man in a
are
blue shirt with
intelligence
white
that
hair.
understands
Brightness
you.
settings
And
panel.
with that comes a great deal of responsibility, because to do that, that intelligence has to traffic in information that you've stored on your device.
The screen shows a screenshot of a mobile phone screen. The top of the screen shows the current time and
ChatGPT
date,
other
which is
large language
22:26
models
and the date is
send
Thursday,
every
the
prompt
7th
to
of
their
November.
powerful
There is a row of
cloud
icons at the top of the
Apple,
screen,
however,
including
is
the screen shows a
prioritizing
screenshot of a
privacy
mobile
by
phone.
running AI models
Brightness settings
directly
panel.
on the device. Only when more processing power is needed does it tap its
Disabled
encrypted
automatic
cloud-based
OCR.
models.
The first thing that I think you have noticed is that it interrupted the reading of the result when it received a new result. And this happens a lot. I don't think that this is the best thing. It should continue what it is reading. Also, when I went to the notification shade, it started telling me what was on the screen. To stop the recognition, you have to use the back function or the back gesture. Also, you can just turn off, then turn on Jieshuo. There is something that I should mention here, which is related to this Blue Heart AI model. According to what I know, this doesn't support English. So the messages that you are receiving are in Chinese. And what's happening is that Jieshuo is using its translation feature automatically to translate the results. The translation is based on the language that you have set in the translation settings. So if you have set English as the language that you want Jieshuo to translate to, the results will be translated to English. Despite the limitations, I think that the new function is useful. It's a paid feature like all the other image recognition and text recognition functions. They are all only available in the Pro version. Another thing that I want to show you before I end this demonstration, it's the icon detection feature, which might help sometimes if you have a certain button or control that's unlabeled and you want to try to know what this button does. It could help. Also, it uses the same AI service. In fact, the only function that doesn't use this AI service and which is still using the iFlytek service is the responses that you get when you use the voice assistant.
WhatsApp. Application icon.
I opened WhatsApp and I'll see the more options. I'll focus the more options. So you should focus the thing that you want to be described or recognized.
L5 or options button.
And also it's a function that you can find in the main menu and you can assign a gesture to.
Main menu or button. Main menu. Recognize the focused icon.
Recognize the focused item.
Recognition in progress. This is an icon that means more options or menu, usually used in applications or websites, and clicking it will display more features or options.
That was a good one. I'll try with another one.
ACR phone. ACR phone. Search, text box. Main menu or button. Main menu. Recognize the focus. Recognition in progress. This is a search bar icon, usually used to search within an app or website.
In these two examples, it showed a good recognition capability. Actually, it's not the same always. I think that this function is a good addition, especially when it works as it should. Thank you for listening.